A submarine is designed to withstand an absolute pressure of 100 atm. How deep it can go below the water surface? Consider the density of water 1000 kg per meter cube, 1 atm is 10 to the power 5 Pascal and gravitational acceleration g is 10 meter per second square, 9900, 990, 9099 meter. This is water surface, water, and submarine is here is a submarine. The depth from water surface is h. वाटर सरफेस पर जो प्रेशर है, प्रेशर ऑन वाटर सरफेस इज एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, PA is equal to 1 atm. Density of water is rho. प्रेशर एट सबमरीन, यहाँ पर प्रेशर होगा P एंड P विल बी PA प्लस rho GH, and this P is given as 100 atm. 100 atm is equal to 1 atm plus rho GH, or 100 minus 1 atm is equal to rho GH, or 99 into 1 atm is 10 to the power 5 Pascal, rho is 1000 and G is 10 H. So H is 99 into 10 to the power 5 by 1000 into 10, 990 meter. This B is correct option. Next, water flows in streamline motion through a horizontal pipe of circular cross section as shown in the figure. The pressure difference between P and Q is 10 Newton per meter square. The area of cross section at P and Q are 40 centimeter square and 20 centimeter square respectively. The rate of flow of water through the pipe in centimeter cube per second is, take density of water 1000 kg per meter cube, 400, 100, 200, 300. Pressure at P1, suppose P is P1 and pressure at Q is P2. So P1 minus P2 is 15 Newton per meter square. At cross sectional area at A is A1 440 centimeter square, या 40 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square, and this is A2 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. This is center line. अगर सेंटर लाइन को हम डाटा एज्यूम कर लें प्रेशर हेड, इसको अगर P को हम सेक्शन 1 दें, नाम दें, Q को हम सेक्शन 2, प्रेशर हेड at section 1 is equal to P1 by rho z. Similarly, pressure head at section 2 is equal to P2 minus rho g. Datum head at section 1 is equal to Z1 is equal to 0. Similarly, datum head at section 2 is equal to Z2 is equal to 0. क्योंकि datum line ही center of pipe है. Velocity head at section 1, अगर यहाँ पर velocity of water is V1 and section 2 पर is V2, so this will be V1 square by 2g, and velocity head at section 2 is V2 square by 2g. सेक्शन 1 एंड 2 पर हम बर्नौलीज थ्योरम अप्लाई करें तो टोटल हेड एट सेक्शन 1 विल बी प्रेशर हेड प्लस डाटम हेड प्लस वेलोसिटी हेड, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू प्रेशर हेड एट 2 P2 datum head at section 2 and velocity head at section 2. Z1 and Z2 are 0, then this will convert into V1 square by 2g will be P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g. P1 minus P2 by rho g will be equal to V2 square minus V1 square by 2g. P1 minus P2 is given as 15 Newton per meter square. Rho g will be V2 square minus V1 square by 2g. G से G क्रॉस हो गया तो V2 square minus V1 square will be 2 into 15 by rho. 2 into 15 by 1000. Rho is 1000. 200, 300. 3 by 100. V2 square minus V1 square is equation number 1. Now, continuity equation यहाँ पर अगर इसका क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया A1 है और 2 पर A2 है तो A1 V1 will be A2 V2. A1 is 40 into 10 to the power minus 4 V1 is equal to 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 V2, or 2 V1 will be equal to V2. तो कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन से 2 V1 इज इक्वल टू V2, यहाँ से हमने V2 की वैल्यू पुट कर दी इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में, तो 2V1 स्क्वायर माइनस V1 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3 by 100 और 4 V1 square minus V1 square is equal to 3 by 100, or 3 V1 square is equal to 3 by 100, or V1 square is equal to 1 by 100, and V1 is 1 by 10 meter per second, or 10 centimeter per second. Sectional area at this section 1 is 40 centimeter square. A1 is 40 centimeter square. Then rate of flow Q will be A1 V1, or 40 into 10 centimeter cube per second, or 400 centimeter cube per second. So, rate of flow will be 400 centimeter per second. This A is correct option.